Hey guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel, and if you're just into my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. So today I'm going to take my time to explain products that you can use during the day and the one best used at night. And there's a reason why I'm going to be telling you that. Now, the first on my list is Kojic Acid and Kojic Deep. Now, Kojic Acid is best used at night because it is receptive to the sun. Kojic Deep, on the other hand, is what we tend to use in our sunscreen lotion. So Kojic Deep can be used during the day. It can withstand the sun. Now, the second on my list is peptides. Now, peptides can be used anytime, any day. You can use it in the morning, you can use it at night. Depends on how you actually want to use it. We have glycolic acid. I would not advise you use any type of acid during the day because it is definitely going to be receptive to the sun. Glycolic acid, lactic acid, hell no. I remember when someone was saying that amlactin can be used during the day. I'm like, I can't hear you. Where? Even on the label, it is written only at night. You don't use amlactin during the day, except you decide not to go outside in the sun, because anything that contains acid is receptive to the sun. Lactic acid, glycolic acid, hydrochloric acid, they're all receptive to the sun. So it's best to use them at night. Or if you decide to use them during the day, please stay away from the sun so that it doesn't give you the reverse effect. Instead of it treating, it's just going to be damaging your skin. Now we have salicylic acid. Salicylic acid can be used morning and night, but try to shield your skin from the sun, because the major aim of salicylic acid is treatment, because you want it to treat your dark spots that you want it to treat. So it's best to also shield your skin from the sun, but salicylic acid can be used morning and night. We have hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid can be used morning and night. This is just to help lock in moisture on your skin. So you can use it morning and night. Most people actually like using hyaluronic acid during the day. So when they're going out, people say, wow, look at the moisture, look at the moisture. But to me, I feel hyaluronic acid moisture doesn't really take a longer time to last. It doesn't last for that long compared to peptide. Peptides last longer. All the same, it still contains a glow and a shine, which is also thumbs up. Vitamin C. Vitamin C can be used during the day and also at night. But if you're using vitamin C during the day, please try to shield your skin from the sun, because it is also receptive to the sun. Okay? Try as much as possible to shield your skin. Make sure you do like this when you use vitamin C, so that you get the benefit of that vitamin C, which is for brightening, all right? And it helps for aging a little, not be saying that like that. Just a little, because once it brightens your skin, it makes people look as if you look younger. That's not the case anyway. Don't mind me. Then we have retinol. Retinol, as we all know, is only used at night. Please don't use retinol during the day. The reason why I tend to use retinol during the day sometimes is because I drive and I don't go out in the sun. So if you happen to be like me, or you happen to be a kind of person that work from home, you would love using retinol during the day, because you just stay in the house, you're not going anywhere. But if you're a kind of person you're going to be walking out in the sun, please don't use retinol during the day, because it's going to sting and it's also going to cause redness, a whole lot of redness, which is going to cause blotches. You would not like it. So if you guys actually have any other products you want me to talk about, or any ingredients you want me to list and talk about, let me know in my comment section, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye guys. Mwah.